TB Cycles with update on November the 10th. So how about that rally? Well, okay, so I was kind of still expecting this blue 4-week cycle is in play, and the bearish phase starts around next week. So I was kind of expecting a choppy sideways week. So, but yeah, this right back up, as I've shown earlier. I call this here the pain area, and I was hoping we would not go up here because I'm still kind of bearish, but up here anything can happen. So I really have to question the bearish scenario here. Really, we are. Well, so the 4-week cycle, if it's still this blue one, it should or could turn down next week. But you know, making a top this late in the 10-week cycle, and what about the 20-week cycle? Did we have an early low here? The expected low is end of November, but you know, it doesn't look like that. So the 20-week cycle is say not working at the moment. The 10-week cycle still may be working, but you know, with this momentum late in the cycle, we could possibly make, you know, a higher low here and then rally with, if the Fed doesn't hike too much, and then we have Christmas rally, and then we have uptrend established here. And you know, that's what I draw here a while ago. I was kind of looking for this red bearish scenario going sideways, maybe a lower low, and then the capitulation later. But I feared we would so you know, feared maybe I should switch into a bullish bias, then I should say hope for this. Anyway, you know, this could look very possible now if we with the bearish 4-week cycle and the 10-week cycle, if we don't pull back that much, and then we have the cycles turning up, and we have Christmas and seasonality and all, then it could all be over. So here I have the half of the, that's about 21-month offset. Breaking below that one would generate a deep downside target, but we have bounced back up and trying to get above, and you know, if we stay above, the road is open. We have the trend line, the 200-day moving average, and you know, Dow Jones Industrial has broken the 200-day moving average, Germany, FTSE. So yeah, a lot of bullish signals now. But yeah, I should say that my 3.5 or 7-year cycle, it had the crash phase back here this fall, but we did hold up rather well in this phase. We did just make a marginally lower low in September, October, and this, from this point on, from the cycle, the bear market may be over. This is a typical point where the bear market is over, unless you have a deeper, longer bear market that could make a low around here, March, or here, August. So it's still possible to roll over and then get this, but right now the bulls are in control. So the bear market that has most similarity to the current one regarding the cycle is from the 73, 74, and still, you know, this looks very similar. If we were to turn sharply down here, and we could have a sideways action into New Year and then have the capitulation phase. Still very much possible, but bulls are in control. Yeah, as usual, my auto saving kicks in just when I want to show them something. Oh, it crashed even. My God. Well, that's well, that sums it all up today. All my scenarios crash. So yeah, more updates to come. To sum it up, still haven't decisively broken my bearish scenario, but we are really on the edge, and if we get more continuation here to the upside, bearish scenario looks more and more unlikely. However, if we do turn down quickly and steep very soon, then let me see if I can get this one here and come back. Yeah, there we are. So we are here in this pain phase where we easily could start to break out of this bearish trend. Also still possible to fall back. I was actually expecting better CPI. CPI is kind of lagging, and I'm thinking CPI is still high, and if people start to think everything is now okay, no more troubles in the world, and we get more demand with record low unemployment, prices will start to rise again. Well, energy is cheaper, some things are better, so I don't know. So I stick to charts and cycles. Don't think too much about macro and economies. So price action, bearish scenario is really on the edge. So can't conclude that the bear market is over regarding the S&P, but this starts to break the historical patterns, and also not following the cycles as it has done very well for a long period. So yep, see you on the next one.